Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. Saturday, August the 11th. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Pretty heavy box right here. Mailman was not happy today, but hey, they get paid. This is coming from Oneach. Link is going to be down below. We'll have to see what is inside they have to offer. Hope everyone had a good week so far. Everybody is safe, staying cool, and especially out in Cali, you guys. Hopefully, everybody's safe out there with all those fires going on. Pretty crazy, but now we have to offer you guys one of these things. Right, boy. Alrighty. That's another box. Get it out. Oh, it's very heavy. Oh. Alright, here we go. What do we have here? I'm China. One complete unit. Alright. Where do we open? Oneach. Modern shelf living room. Oh, alright. Something for the bedroom or living room. Let's see what it is. But you guys could get one at low cost. There we go. Uh-oh. Tilt you guys down. Oh boy, another box. Inside of the box. There you go. Nice and easy. Alright. We got those two out of the way. What do we have here? I want to be careful with it. Not sure which side is taped. There we go. Alright, what do we have here? What is it? Not sure. It's like shelving blocks, it feels like. Might be able to put it together. Oh boy. Oh boy. Yes, it is a shelving unit. This should be an easy one to put together. Ooh. We got some lights. Oh boy. Yeah, it's gonna be. Ooh. Yeah, well, we had some lights. It's gonna be a fun one. Alright. This supposed to be the top. The top tip comes with that. Got some more stuff. Alright, we got must be the frame of it. Put those over here. This could be a fun thing to put together. Yeah, these are the shelving units. Alright. Oh, shoot. Got stuck in the battle with the tape. There we go. But this would be great for your college dorm with the fall semester coming up. So parents, if you guys want to buy your kids something for their college dorms, this would be a nice little shelving unit. Store their pictures. Oh. So we got more of these guys. Put them all down. Get everything out of the box. Here comes more of these. Oh boy. It's gonna be a fun one. But here's the final piece. Ooh. So, I'll put this all together in about a few minutes, and I'll be right back. So, sit tight and skip ahead and relax. Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go. The lamp is up. Look at that, it has a nice glow to it. And it's tall. Took me about 20 minutes to do it by myself. Just had a few things else to take care of, but Pretty simple to do. And there's a little switch down here. You just gotta go bam. And boom. So you can stack your shelves with something like this. Put the eagle right there. Get your Funko Pops, video game controllers. That would look sweet. PS4, Xbox Ones, Nintendo Switch display, Funko Pops, WWE wrestlers, a bunch of other stuff. Your sports memorabilia. So maybe a helmet, mini helmet, football, baseball, soccer, cleats, and all that good stuff. So definitely good stuff right here, though. So check them out, YouTubers. The link is going to be down below. You guys can get one at a low cost. And let's give them a check. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good weekend.